Welcome back, design rebels. Today, we're diving headfirst into punk interior design, an edgy, unconventional style born from the punk subculture of the mid-1970s. Punk isn't just about visuals, it's an attitude, a bold statement of rebellion, creativity, and nonconformity. Let's explore its origins, iconic elements, and how you can infuse your home with a touch of punk spirit. Punk style exploded onto the scene alongside groundbreaking bands like the Sex Pistols and the Ramones. Fueled by youthful rebellion and disillusionment with mainstream society, punk quickly became a visual and cultural protest. Economic hardship and a rejection of consumerism led punks to embrace DIY, creating their own fashion and decor as an act of creative resistance. This DIY ethos wasn't just practical, it was revolutionary. It symbolized freedom, individuality, and a fierce rejection of the polished, predictable mainstream. So, what exactly makes up the punk aesthetic? First, bold colors and striking graphics. Think vibrant reds, electric blues, neon greens, colors that demand attention. Graphic posters, street art, and rebellious statements splashed across walls encapsulate the punk spirit. Next, unconventional materials. Leather, denim, reclaimed wood, metal fixtures. These rough textures echo punk's gritty roots. Don't be afraid to mix and match these elements. Distressed details and DIY touches are key. Torn fabrics, safety pins, patches, and hand-painted designs reflect authenticity and individuality. Every imperfection tells a story, highlighting personal expression over polished perfection. Punk's influence didn't end with music. It transformed the world of interior design. Punk-inspired spaces often feature raw, industrial materials like exposed brick and metal fixtures. These choices provide a rugged, urban atmosphere that's both rebellious and stylish. Eclectic decor also plays a vital role. Mixing vintage finds with unexpected modern pieces can create dynamic tension that embodies punk's innovative spirit. Be bold, mix patterns, colors, and textures fearlessly. Artistic expression is paramount. Incorporating wall art, graffiti-inspired murals, and personalized DIY installations brings punk's rebellious ethos into your everyday space. Remember, punk is about expressing your voice loudly and proudly. Ready to punk your own home? Here's how you can get started. Begin with a bold accent wall, paint it in a vibrant hue, or decorate it with graffiti-inspired art. Incorporate industrial elements like exposed pipes, brick walls, or reclaimed wood furniture. Add DIY accents. Customize furniture with patches, paint, or distressed details. Include statement pieces. Think vintage leather chairs, bold rugs, or statement lighting. The key is to be daring, creative, and unafraid to challenge conventions. Embrace imperfections, mix and match fearlessly, and let your personality shine through every choice. Remember, the punk aesthetic isn't about adhering to rules, it's about breaking them. Thanks for joining us today on this punk-inspired design journey. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your favorite punk design inspirations in the comments below. Until next time, keep designing boldly.